Hey guys, Cherry is here again and welcome to the world of math. And for today's video is pag-uusapan natin ang second type ng sequence, which is the geometric sequence. And kung napanood nyo man yung previous video ko, which is this, pinag-uusapan natin dyan ang first type ng sequence, which is the arithmetic sequence. And ngayon is, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay ang geometric sequence. And sa mga bago pa lang sa channel ko, click nyo na yung subscribe button and also the notification bell para ma-notify kayo kung may bagong video ako. So without further ado, let's start our video. Our objectives for this lesson is to define the geometric sequence, identify the common ratio and the next term of the sequence, find the end term of the geometric sequence, and solve the problems involving geometric sequence. A sequence is geometric if there exists a number r called the common ratio. The common ratio r can be determined by dividing any term in the sequence by the term that precedes it. Example: find the ratio of the second number to the first number. So I have here 2 and 8. To find the ratio, we will divide the second number to the first number. So r equals 8 divided by 2, and the result is 4. So the ratio is 4. Second example: identify the next term in the sequence 1, 2, 4, 8. To find the next term, we will multiply the 8 to the result of dividing the second term and the first term, which is the result is 2. So the next term is 16, since 8 times 2 equals 16. Third example: state whether the sequence is geometric or not. So I have here 5, 20, 80, and 320. To find out if the sequence is geometric or not, we will get first the common ratio. To get it, we will divide the second term to the first term, the third term to the second term, and the fourth term to the third term. So, 20 divided by 5 equals 4, 80 divided by 20 equals 4, 320 divided by 80 equals 4. So, this sequence is a geometric sequence because it has the same common ratio, which is 4. Another one: 2, 6, 12, and 48. So we will first get its common ratio. So second term divided by the first term, third term divided by second term, and fourth term divided by third term. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3, 12 divided by 6 equals 2, 48 divided by 12 equals 4. So this sequence is not a geometric sequence because it has no the same common ratio. The end term of a geometric sequence is given by a sub n equals a sub 1 times r to the raised of n minus 1. Take note that the common ratio is not equal to 0. Example: what is the 10th term of the geometric sequence 8, 4, 2, 1? So we have to find the 10th term of the geometric sequence. Given, we have our common ratio 1/2 because 4 divided by 8 equals 1/2. Then the first term 8 and the a sub n 10. Then we have to substitute our given into our using formula. So we have now a sub 10 equals 8 times 1/2 to the raised of 10 minus 1. And then a sub 10 equals 8 times 1/2 to the raised of 9 because 10 minus 1 equals 9. Then a sub 10 equals 8 times 1/512 because 1/2 raised to 9 is equals to 1/512. And then a sub 10 equals 8/512. So now we will get its lowest term, which is 1/64. So our a sub 10 or 10th term is 1/64. Another example. During the initial phase of an outbreak of measles, the number of infections can grow geometrically. If there were 4, 8, 16 on the first 3 days of an outbreak of measles, how many will be infected on the 6th day? Given, our common ratio is 2 because 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. Our first term is 4. Our n is 6. So next we will substitute our given into our using formula. So a sub 6 equals 4 times 2 to the raised of 6 minus 1. A sub 6 equals 4 times 2 to the raised of 5 because 6 minus 1 equals 5. A sub 6 equals 4 times 32 because 2 times the raised of 5 is equals to 32. A sub 6 equals 128 because 4 times 32 is 128. So there will be 128 people infected with measles on the 6th day. And so, that is all about geometric sequence. And kung may mga tanong man kayo, comment nyo lang sa comment section. And also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell para ma-notify kayo kung may mga bagong video pa ko. And so, let's proceed to our quote of the day.